So, in this lecture, we are going to study the learning process, and this process is the only one you need to follow in order to start learning a new skill today. But the first thing I want to tackle is your why. And finding out why you want to learn a new skill is really important to keep your motivation high and to stay committed. And I've got here a few questions that I recommend you to answer because these questions will increase your level of commitment and motivation to start working in your goal. So, the first question I ask here is, why do you want to learn a new skill? And this question might bring other questions that are here too, because you might want to learn a new skill because it benefits you, because it will increase your job performance, and maybe it will lead to a higher salary. Or maybe you just want to learn this skill because you've been feeling really frustrated and you want to learn something new, or you want simply to have fun, or because let's say you are going to learn a new language. Maybe you want to learn that language because you are going to visit that country in the future. Or maybe you want to play guitar because you want to teach your kid how to play guitar later. And you want to learn design because you want to monetize that skill by making freelance work. If you write down your why, your purpose when learning this skill, it will help you to understand and to commit more to your main goal, which is learn that skill. And here I've got this question: do you have a partner, or do you have someone who can help you to stay committed, like a friend? Maybe you can also have someone who will work in the same goal with you. So let's say you and a friend of yours, or you and your partner or a colleague, want to learn guitar. If you learn guitar together, that will probably increase your motivation because you have someone to share those experiences. But if you do not have, it's totally okay. If you want to talk to someone that is also willing to learn that specific skill, there are a ton of forums and Facebook pages and Facebook groups and Twitter where you can connect with those people too. But like I told you, it's really, really important to decide why you want to learn that specific skill, because that will help you in the long run to stay committed and to stay focused on acquiring that specific skill.